Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy any cryptocurrency on the 1inch Wallet app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the 1inch Wallet application on your device. And after you have logged in using your PIN code or your biometrics, you will be taken into your wallet homepage. From here, in order to purchase any crypto, tap on the buy option. This will then ask you to choose your desired token or crypto. Tap on your desired token, and now you will need to enter your desired amount that you wish to spend to acquire the crypto. And once you enter your desired spending amount, the conversion will be applied and you will see how much crypto you will receive. To proceed forward, tap on the buy option, and you may also choose alternate payment provider if you wish. Once you are done, proceed with the buy option and then agree with the terms of service. This will take you into an external page where you can use various payment methods based on the payment service that you have chosen. You may use your PayPal, your credit or debit card, and much more. Once your transaction is completed and the amount has been deducted from your account, you will receive your currency within your account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to buy various cryptocurrencies on the 1inch Wallet app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.